Because like flowers, why humans are complex. There's always more than meets the eye. A beautiful journey of both life and death. But something we have the courtesy of doing is not only being able to live in the moment, but to then be able to recall a vivid moment from our lives and savor it and still. In the